in that state of gasm, we are in magnificent alignment with the creator force, the vibration, the energy that creates this entire universe, including you and me. So I do encourage you to use this highway to spiritual alignment, to truly aligning with the absolute creator force in its rawness of life, which is present within the body. And do not shy away from the body. Be aware that your final step in spirituality is when you meet God. When you meet God, when you have a personal, intimate relationship with God, and then we stop calling it God as an outside source, but we simply start understanding, and this is quite difficult to understand with our brains, that we, us sinful, us who are not perfect, can be part of this divine creator life force. So when we go through the body, the unconscious mind, and we simply experience that gasm, it doesn't matter who you are, whether you've sorted out your shit, whether you've gone to church, whether you've read all the spiritual books, whether you've made mistakes, it does not matter. When you come home to yourself in your body, you are merging with the divine within yourself, and you are resolving that last bit of our spiritual seeking is when we go in.